PQI high-purity polysilicon ingots. Welcome to PQI, supplier of high-purity polysilicon ingots. We are proud to offer you the finest quality polysilicon ingots that are essential for various applications. Our high-purity polysilicon ingots are carefully crafted using state-of-the-art technology and stringent quality control measures, ensuring exceptional purity and performance. From solar cells to semiconductors, our polysilicon ingots serve as the foundation for cutting-edge technologies and sustainable energy solutions. Our commitment to excellence and sustainability is reflected in every step of our manufacturing process, ensuring that our polysilicon ingots meet the highest industry standards. Whether you're a solar panel manufacturer or a semiconductor company, PQI's high-purity polysilicon ingots provide you with the reliability and performance you need for your projects. Join us on this journey of innovation and sustainable growth. Experience the power of PQI's high-purity polysilicon ingots and take your projects to new heights. Thanks for watching.